to the channel, guys. I know I've been missing in action, but I have been quite busy. I just moved houses, as you can see in the background, and started a security company, done a lot of projects, so I haven't been recording, but I'm back. A couple years ago, I had bought the Walther PPK in a 22, and if you saw that review, you would know that was not a very good second option as far as carry. It was a good range toy, but not something you can carry. So I had an itch to buy the 380 version. You know me, if I have an itch, I'm gonna scratch. So let's unbox the 380 version of the Walther PPK. It's chambered 9mm Kurtz, and it does come with a second magazine. You get two 6-round mags. Underneath the box, boring. So here you go, guys. The PPK does come with an extra mag, and look at this thing, beautiful. So there you go, guys, in all its glory. It's great looking handgun. Lots of history behind this, lots of cinematic history behind this. It's a great tuxedo gun. Can't even tell I'm wearing it. It's a great looking gun. We're gonna go and take this to the range, and then we're gonna review it. And if it is a good gun, then I'll be using it for my secret missions.